Join Protect Nature on a journey to discover some of the most devastating natural events ever recorded. From earthquakes that shook the planet to tsunamis that swallowed entire cities, these real-life disasters will leave you both horrified and in awe of the unimaginable power of nature. 50 stunning moments, 50 reminders of the need to respect and protect our common home, the Earth. Join us as we explore these incredible stories of nature's beauty and danger, and feel the unstoppable power of Mother Nature. Nature's fury destroyed the places it passed through. The streets were flooded, many trees fell. The waves were fierce, as if they wanted to swallow everything in their path. The flood was like a fury, sweeping away everything within reach. The storm devastated and felled ancient trees. The objects were swept away by the storm like fallen leaves. The winds seemed to want to knock down many trees. Flash floods came suddenly, like a fierce waterfall, washing away everything in its path. The flood wiped out everything it passed through. The water rose quickly, mixing with rocks, trees, and soil. The landslide struck like a fury, rocks and soil from the top of the mountain rushing down. Bright red lava flows flow down the mountainside. Prolonged rain has flooded many roads, seriously hindering traffic. The forest fire scene took place in a stuffy atmosphere. The tornadoes seemed to want to sweep away the houses. High-rise buildings shook violently, then collapsed like giant machines broken by the force of the earthquake. The water seemed to sweep away everything it passed. A strong odor spread everywhere, signaling destruction. The snowstorm came like a white wave, covering everything in a quiet space. Acid rain falls as toxic drops, making the forest surface stained and dull. Thunder streaked across the sky like bright shards of glass. Dazzling light flashed for an instant, brightening everything around. Houses can hardly withstand the destructive force of nature. Everything seems to disappear in the rushing water, proving the cruel power of nature. Huge columns of smoke and ash rose high into the sky. Houses and vehicles were submerged. Life suddenly turned upside down. Large trees fell due to the storm. Heavy rain moves down like a waterfall. Each heavy water falls to the ground. Large blocks of land slid off the mountainside, carrying trees and branches with them, creating a chaotic scene. Rising temperatures make the air hot. Even the cars drifted away in an instant. Snow fell heavily, accumulating on roofs, trees, and streets, turning the landscape into a magical world. The avalanche crashed down like a white wave, washing away everything in sight. The tsunami became fierce and caused a lot of damage. Acid rain rains down on the city like toxic droplets, deforming street surfaces and buildings. Tree branches snapped and leaves fell like debris being swept away. The trees tilted as if struggling to hold on before the terrible force. The earthquake struck. The ground shook like a fury, causing the sand to rise like ocean waves. The destructive power of wind is terrible. Heavy rain causes large puddles. Everything seemed to be swept away by a flash flood. The flood swept away everything, even the houses. The icebergs are broken into small stones. The volcano stands tall in the sky with its peak covered with floating white clouds. The flood came, and the road surface was quickly submerged in water. Dense, black clouds rolled in like a heavy blanket. Suddenly, lightning flashed brilliantly, streaking across the sky with blinding light, causing everything around to brighten for a moment. Thank you for joining Protect Nature on this journey to discover these majestic and impressive natural phenomena. The powerful moments we have just witnessed not only show the boundless power of Mother Nature, but also serve as a strong reminder of the importance of protecting the environment and being prepared for emergencies. If you find this video useful, don't forget to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Join us on our next journey so you don't miss any interesting content. Every small action of yours can contribute to making big changes for the future of the Earth. Together, we will protect our common home and build a greener, more sustainable planet. See you in the upcoming videos.